Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will model the Möbius ring in Fusion 360 and apply materials with the easiest step-by-step approach. The Möbius ring is a fascinating one-sided surface that inspires applications in mechanical design, conveyor systems, and advanced material studies. So let's step directly into it. Open Fusion and create a new design file. Then let's start sketching. We'll sketch on top plane. And let's take center point arc, and from the center draw a radius of 5, then angle of 180. Yes, now we can finish sketch, then invoke create sketch, and let's take right plane. Now here we'll be drawing two lines, line 1, and to this side let's draw another line. Okay, now we have to give constraint. Now take midpoint and select this line and the end of the first sketch. Likewise here also. Okay, now give dimension. The length is 3. Here also let's give 3. We are drawing this profile for surface sweep. And from arc, take center point arc, and from this as center, draw an arc of radius 1.25 till 180 degree. Okay, we'll be using this sketch later. So first let's draw and keep. Now from surface, take sweep, or you can directly choose from the toolbar. Now select this line as profile and path as the arc. Okay, and give the twist angle 90 degree. Orientation should be perpendicular. Yes. Now we have to give thicken. From create, invoke thicken and select the surface. Thickness is 0.5, direction symmetric. Yes. Now we have to unhide the sketch. Yes. And we can give Revolve Cut. Invoke Revolve and select this line as axis. Orientation is cut. Yes. Now we can hide the sketch. Okay. We got this profile. Next we have to give pattern. Pattern on path. In object, select feature and you can select this revolve feature. Path is unhide the sketch 1 and select this arc. Okay. Now you have to drag this arrow till the end of the arc. And quantity give us 7. Okay. Yes. Now the profile is cut along the path. Now let's give fillet to all the circular edges. Select all the edge. Okay. And give fillet of radius is point. We can give 0.05. Yes, this might do. And add one more and select this edge. Select all 4 edges and here we will give radius of 0.2. Okay. Now let's duplicate this body, rotate it to the opposite side, and the two parts will join together to complete the ring. Invoke move copy, select the body and select set pivot. Turn on the visibility of origin and set the pivot to origin. Okay, select set pivot. After that, select the checkbox of create copy Give the rotation. Give rotation to 180 degree. Yes. Now the ring is complete. Now we can join these two bodies. Combine and select these two bodies. OK. And click OK. Yes. Now the first ring is complete. Now for the second ring, let's duplicate the first ring. Invoke Mover Copy, Set Pivot to Origin. Select the Set Pivot and create copy and give rotation of 195. OK. Yes. Now our model is complete. So this is the final result. Now you can hide the origin. And if you want to render, go to render workspace. You can add all material and color. And that's how easily you can create a Möbius ring in Fusion 360. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for the more CAD tutorials and drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. Thank you.